Today, I'll show you how to create a vector layer in QGIS. First, go to Layer and select Create Layer. A window will appear where you can choose the type of layer you want to create. The most commonly used formats are GeoPackage and Shapefile. If you only need a temporary layer that you don't plan to save, you can create a temporary scratch layer instead. In this tutorial, we'll use GeoPackage, which is the recommended format for most projects. Click the three dots in the upper right corner, then choose where to save the file and enter a file name. Next, select the geometry type. There are many geometry types available, but beginners only need to remember these three: point, line, string, and polygon. Geometry types such as multipoint, multiline, and multi-polygon are used when multiple shapes are treated as a single feature. When one feature consists of a single shape, it is called a single parts. When one feature consists of multiple shapes, it is called a multi-parts. You can convert a single parts into a multi-parts later if needed. So, when you're just getting started, choosing point, line, string, or polygon is perfectly fine. The other geometry types are mainly used for specialized applications such as engineering or 3D data, so you don't need to worry about them for now. For this tutorial, we'll choose line string. Next, select the Coordinate Reference System, or CRS. Choose the CRS that is appropriate for your project area. If you're not sure which CRS to use, you can leave the default setting and still create the layer. I explain coordinate systems in another video, so be sure to check it out if you'd like to learn more. Once everything is set, click OK. Your new vector layer will now appear in the Layers panel. Now let's start adding features. First, click the pencil icon to turn editing mode on. Next, select the Add Line feature tool. Click on the map to place vertices. Each click adds another vertex, and right-click when you're finished drawing the line. A window will appear asking you to enter attribute values. You'll notice a field called FID. This is the feature ID, which is generated automatically, so you usually don't need to change it. Click OK, and your feature will be added to the layer. Now let's see how to edit the shape of a feature. Select the Vertex tool. Click and drag a vertex to move it. Click a line segment to move the entire segment. You can also click between two vertices to insert a new vertex. If you drag a selection box around multiple vertices, you can move them all at once. Another very useful feature is snapping. When snapping is enabled, the cursor automatically snaps, almost like a magnet, to existing vertices or line segments. This makes it much easier to create accurately connected features without unwanted gaps or overlaps. Snapping is especially useful when editing roads, property boundaries, rivers, and other connected features. If you don't see the snapping tools, right-click anywhere in the toolbar area and enable the snapping toolbar. That's how you create and edit a vector layer in QGIS. In the next video, I'll explain how to edit the attribute table. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.